All right, you guys. So the first step to putting on a lace wig or installing it is putting it on your head. Make sure you get your clips, your tools, your styling stuff. You'll definitely need clips unless you want to cut all the hair off by accident. So go visit your local Dollar Tree and get you some clips. Now, if you really want to cut the lace off with an eyebrow trimmer, I'm just going to say this, and I'm only going to say it once. Girl, it's hard work. You need to get used to it. Make sure you don't cut yourself or the lace too much. My preference is scissors, but a girl be trying to be a little bit fancy, so that's the reason why I got me a new set of eyebrow trimmers and I'm cutting away. But trust me when I tell you, I have cut myself already on camera, not my forehead, but my finger, so just be careful. Now I'm going to go ahead and customize the lace wig. It's a little bit too big on the sides, kind of like overflapping my ears, and I'm not really into, the lace over my ears, so I'm just going to part directly above my ear, get my scissors, and cut directly onto that part. This will help your wig lay flatter, and it'll also help it be a lot more comfortable. And plus, we always want it to look as natural and real as possible. So get yourself a rat tail comb and just part directly over your ear if your wig is hanging over your ear. Now this step is definitely optional, especially because the lace is invisible, it's HD, it's Swiss, so you really don't need any type of baby hairs or sideburn hairs. But being that my head is long, I definitely need some sideburns. It makes me feel like it's more natural, and it makes me feel like it's definitely growing out of my scalp. But before I do that, I'm going to cut off this extra tiny piece of lace. It does matter, trust me. Extra lace does matter. Even if it's tiny, it matters, so cut it off. Now that I have gotten that taken care of, to apply my wig, I'm going to be using the bed head. This stuff is really expensive, so be careful of where you purchase it from. Me, I got my 3 cans from Amazon for only $25. Normally they're $20 a can in the store or a little bit less. Bedhead is a vendor on Amazon, so you can be rest assured that this is a real product, and you can purchase a 3-can set for only $25. Now you can either let the product dry, or you can take out your blow dryer and dry it on a cool to medium heat. Sometimes I do both. It just depends on the mood I am, and especially for video's sake, if I didn't blow dry it on camera and just let it dry on its own, it would take me a little bit longer, or the video would be longer, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want that. Now the one thing that I love about using hairspray is it ain't like glue. Glue is messy, it gets all over, it's harder to wipe up, and as you guys see here, it's just a lot easier to tack down with a rat tail comb. If you spray a little bit on your rat tail comb and just place it onto your lace, then you're good to go. But with glue, this is a little bit more challenging. And as you guys see right here, it cleans up really well with hairspray. All you have to do is take out a wet wipe and girl, you good to go. Now, I really don't like my baby hairs or any type of hair, flyaway hairs, too long. But I mean, if you want to have like a super duper long baby hair or sideburn, then girl, you do what you like. But for me, I cut them a little bit shorter. And then I'm going to take out my Dollar Tree Salon Seductive Mousse and apply that to the front of my hairline. I love this mousse. It's only $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it's really worth it. Trust me when I tell you, it does not lift your wig up. I have had mousses that actually did that right after applying the wig, which kind of left me in a pickle, okay? So don't spend a lot of money. You can definitely go to the Dollar Tree and get you some mousse. And all I'm going to do is basically brush and sculpt the hairs a certain direction, and that's about it. Girl, do you see this lace? Nope, you don't. It's really nice. I really am like appreciative of this invisible lace. Like seriously, less work for me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and style the wig. I decided to part it on both sides. And need I mention, I forgot to mention, when I bleached my knots, I used the 30 developer, along with that, the B2W bleach. I get all of my products from Amazon because, girl, I can't go to the beauty supply store because every time I go to the beauty supply store, I end up buying more things than I need. So I figure if I just go on Amazon and get what I need, then I'll save money. And just to lay the hairs down and apart, I'm just going to take that Lotta Body and some of my mousse. You don't need both. The nozzle on the mousse was broken and I was having difficulty, so I just decided to use the Lotta Body. But they all work the same. And I'm just going to take the Lotta Body, which is not hardening like the mousse, and just put it in the front so that way I can get the hairs to lay down a lot smoother. And you could easily do this with the nozzle of your blow dryer. These curls are actually so pretty. Like, hello, look at my pinky. I'm using it for something, okay? But the curls are really pretty in this unit. Plus, the lace is cute too. I'm like feeling this unit. Thank you, Chinalacewig, for coming through and improving. Like, it's always great to see companies evolve. And especially when you can do all of this cool stuff with your hair. I just thought I would show you guys some different hairstyles that you can do with it, especially because it's invisible lace.